So good afternoon guys. What we'll be showing to you will be the continuation of the Ukemi or the falling techniques. Now we will be showing to you break falls, especially rolling break fall. First will be kneeling right side and standing right side, kneeling left side and standing left side. And last will be jumping or diving, diving right, diving left. So at the end of this video, I hope that you could see how to do it or what is the procedure. We'll do it step by step with counting also. So I hope guys that you can enjoy the video and we'll learn from it. So let's get started. So let's do kneeling, right side, rolling, break fall. So the position should be like this. Okay. In doing break falls, you need to do or measure, you need to have a certain path in order for you to have a correct direction. Okay. So first your position, your posture will be like this. You raise your left foot, okay. Then your right arm here, your left should be in this direction, should be at least, okay. The formation will be letter C. The head should be tucked in, the head, the forehead pointing to that direction or pointing your left to or right to, I should say. And here, so here, first is you raise there, okay. Then second, you roll, okay. Forming this, your output. There should be no other output, no crisscross leg, no back full, okay, only like in this direction. Okay, so this is the outcome of your sitting, squatting, standing, right foots, side foots. Okay, so let's go to the left. Okay, so the left is done in this manner. Okay, the same. Okay, a while ago it is the right foot. Okay. And the left foot, now it's the right foot that will be kneeling, and the left foot will be the one kneeling, okay. The left hand will be the one supporting, okay. And the right hand will be the one pointing the left knee, okay. So the same, okay. So from here, pointing, so 1, there, 2, roll, okay. So again, this is supposed to be the right position. Okay, no full back. Always chin in. Okay. So standing. So how do we do standing break fall? Okay, standing break fall. Okay, is done. Standing break fall is done in this manner. A while ago, from kneeling, okay, we go to standing. So standing. The same, okay. A while ago, okay, we need the other one is you just move your left foot forward, then supported by your right hand and with your left hand. When doing this, okay, it's very important that you use your both hands. Okay, you use your both hands. The hands is the one supporting the body, okay, that carries the body, especially in rolling, okay, to prevent injury from the wrist, especially the shoulders and the clavicle. So from this direction, then 1, 2, you roll. Okay, again. Left side, okay, left side, okay, right foot forward, okay, left hand support, right hand, there, and then roll. Okay. Now, okay, to finish that, we'll go now to standing. Okay. So how is standing? So the same, okay, this direction. Okay, in standing, okay, the slamming hand will be the one push yourself up in order for you to help to get up. Okay, so how do we do it? Okay, so again, same procedure. 1, 2, 2, roll. Yeah, up. Okay, if you notice, I am in it, that's my path only. Okay, I'll not go there too much, or hew too much. Okay, so as I've said, you need to focus on your path. Okay, so left, same, here and there, then drop, there, again. So standing, so in standing, the same, okay, in standing, you do it in a moving position so that there will be a momentum. Okay, so as you step, your right foot, okay, at the same time, your left hand touches the floor together with your right, then you roll. So, I will do it. Yeah. Other side. Okay. So, how is jumping? Okay, jumping. Okay, you need to accelerate or you need to jump. Okay, so accelerate. Okay, to get the momentum to help you get up. Okay, so we'll do it first. Like, okay, good. The other side. Good. Okay, free fall on the left. Free fall on the right. I have just shown you already the kneeling, standing break fall or the rolling break falls, then left, kneeling left and standing left. I have shown you also diving right and diving left, or jumping right or jumping left. And the last one that I have shown you is the free fall. Okay? The free fall is being done in order for us to check or correct whether we can be thrown properly. So it is an imagination wherein you can be thrown and you will be landing in a right position or in a proper position. Okay, so judo basically defense or its foundation is most likely falling techniques, because in judo, okay, most important thing is you can never throw any of your opponent or your partner if you don't know how to fall. So falling is one of the most important thing in learning judo. I hope that you can practice it at home, even if it's at home, and then please be reminded that learning judo is about also safety. So in learning at home, do not try to do the free fall without any supervision, or if you don't have any confidence and courage or the proper training in doing it. Okay, it would be better that someone will be guiding you in doing that. And lastly, the next video will be doing the throwing techniques, the basic on how to throw a person. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope that we will see each other again.